Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this video, and I also hope that you do subscribe to my channel. So today's video, I am doing an acrylic haul. I'm going to talk about reducing monomer smell, and I'm also doing a giveaway. So make sure you watch the entire video so that you get all of the information. So I have ordered a bunch of acrylics. This is my little bin for the video, and it doesn't look like a lot, but it is. I am going to do some swatches. Some swatches I've already done. I just didn't want this video to be too long. But first I want to talk about the air purifier that I'm using in my room. So Nails by Reese actually posted a video on this Febreze air purifier. I'm going to link her video above so you can get all the specifics on the purifier, because I'm not going to do that. So watch her video. But essentially, I use this air purifier to reduce this monomer smell in my room. I also keep a window open, and then I also throw anything that has monomer on it in a plastic like heavy duty freezer bag so that my garbage doesn't smell. And so far it's been working pretty good. It still smells like monomer, but the smell isn't as strong. So check out that video. Let me know what you guys think. So the first brand that I'm showing you swatches of is ENAIL COUTURE. I did receive the wrong monomer in a previous order, but they did send me the correct one, and this one's supposed to smell like cotton candy. It doesn't. It smells like regular monomer. But this first acrylic I have is Arab Gold Princess, and it's a brown with some gold flakes in it. And this second acrylic is Glass Pink, so I guess it's supposed to be like a frosted pink. Yeah. I'm not going to say anything negative about those acrylics. If you like them, you can go to the website and get them. The next set I am going over is Mia's Secret, and this is their Color Punch collection. So the first two colors I showed was Plum and Pina Colada. This third color is Goyaba, and this color is Raspberry. The next one's Martini Blue, and the last one's Pistachio. So these are all really pigmented. They all have a little shimmer in it, and I did get them off Amazon. So if you want to go to Amazon and pick up these would be great for the summer. Spring colors too, and spring is right around the corner. So I wanted more colored acrylics, so that's why I got this little set. It's the Mia's Secret Color Punch collection on Amazon. I did pick up some Young Nails monomer and a couple of their acrylics. They do advertise this monomer as low odor, but it's regular odor. It doesn't set as fast as regular acrylic, as my regular Mia's Secret acrylic. So I guess that's what they mean by low odor. It's like slower setting. Not quite sure, but it smells like monomer. So I got their Core Clear acrylic, and if someone can let me know in the comments down below how to avoid getting bubbles in my acrylic, I would appreciate it. I think I possibly didn't work wet enough with this acrylic, so maybe that's why, but I'm sure someone will let me know in the comments below. So I'm trying to find the perfect nude for my skin tone. So I got their Cover Rosebud. This is the one I'm swatching now, and then the other one I'm going to be swatching is the Cover Pink. So I want to find a lot of nudes because I do like a nude nail. It's, I don't know, my aesthetic. I just love a nude nail with some gloss and maybe a little rhinestones on or design on a couple nails. So I am looking for the perfect nudes. These two are okay. They're a lot lighter in person than their website. So as far as the way my camera's picking them up, they're pretty true to color as far as how my camera's picking them up. So I'm just gonna play with these acrylics a little bit more, kind of just get a better idea of how they work, how they dry, or what have you. Right now I'm just doing these acrylics and just making my swatch sticks. So it's not really a review on any of the acrylics, it's just swatches. And I was just showing how clear that core clear was prior to a top coat or anything like that. And at the end of the video, I will show you after I top coat it how clear that clear is, as well as another clear. So I also got this GLAM GLITS acrylic powder from Skyline Beauty, and this is white sand. And I'm also looking for like the perfect like white shimmery acrylic powder as well. I'm probably going to end up mixing a few of them or just adding some glitter to one of them, because this one is, it's really these are I'm sorry, I lost my words. These are iridescent glitters in there, but they're not really iridescent. There's like a slight iridescent to them, if that makes any sense. It's really pretty, but I'm gonna probably just add some glitters to that and play with that mix a little bit. I also got a couple acrylics from Tones. I saw I don't remember whose YouTube channel it was, but they were using the Tones in Cover Almond, and they're pretty close to my complexion color. So the color looked really pretty on them, so I wanted to try that acrylic. And then this first one is their clear, and it's called Glass. So at the end, you'll see me showing how clear this is with the top coat. And again, I got little bubbles in this clear, and I might not have been working wet enough. If that's not why I got bubbles in my acrylic, please let me know in the comments down below. The clear was the only ones I could really see the bubbles in, so somebody let me know what I did wrong. And this is their Cover Almond, and I really, really love this color. Like, I can't wait to do a full set of nude nails with a little design on a couple nails or some rhinestones or whatever. But this color, if your skin tone's close to mine, this color is a really, really pretty nude. So that is on their website. I think it's just tones.com, and they have a bunch of different colors too, but these two jars I got, I think they were about $9 or $10 each, so I thought that was a pretty good price. Really quickly, I also got on Skyline Beauty, I'll leave that link down below, this Mia's Secret Fusion odorless monomer. So you guys have seen me use this before, and on Amazon it's like $23, but on their website it was only $13. And then my Young Nails primer was only $9 on their website. So I'm gonna leave that link for you guys down below. So these next acrylics are from MVP Nail Designs. She has a YouTube and an Instagram, and that's important because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away some of her acrylics, and part of the giveaway is subscribing to her YouTube channel and following her on Instagram. But I'll go over those details shortly. So this first color is called Holiday Melody, and it's a pink, and it has a shimmer to it. All of these colors that I'm going over have a shimmer to it. These are really, really pigmented colored acrylics, and a little bit really does go a long way. So we're not supposed to be using our colored acrylics to be building the nail. We're supposed to actually encapsulate them in clear, which is another reason why I'm trying to figure out which clear is really clear and how to get my bubbles out of the clear so that I can play with these a little bit more. So this second color is a silver or gray, and it's called North Pole. The next one is a blue, light blue with a shimmer to it. It's called Blizzard. And the last one is a purple, and it's called Holiday Gifts. So let's talk about the giveaway. I will be showing you the colors I'm giving away, and they are part of MVP Nail Designs Hollow collection. I'm going to be giving away the entire collection. The first thing I want you guys to do is to make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed to MVP Nail Designs YouTube channel, and make sure you're following both of us on Instagram. All of those links will be in the description box below. So after you Subscribe to those two channels if you're not already, and you're following both of the Instagram pages. If you're not already, I want you to come back to this video and leave a comment down below, and make sure that you spell it right, because if you have a typo, it won't pick up your comment in the picker that I use. So just write enter me. That's it. That's pretty simple. So after you've done all four, just write enter me, and I may or may not ask for screenshots that you're subscribed to our YouTube channels once I pick a winner. So I'm gonna pick a winner. Today's March 3rd. So I'm gonna pick a winner. Let me look at the calendar. I'm gonna pick a winner. I'm gonna pick a winner March 18th. That's a Wednesday. So you'll have about 2 weeks to watch this video, check out her videos, and then, you know, do the rules. So again, the rules are: subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed to MVP Nail Designs YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, and make sure you're following MVP Nail Designs on Instagram. Come back after you've done all of the things and write enter me in the comments down below. And again, I may or may not ask for screenshots that you're subscribed to our YouTube channels. I can just go on Instagram and make sure that you're following. So put your Instagram name in the comment so that I can contact you via Instagram, and then put enter me in the comment. So, third time I'm saying the rules. Follow me and MVP Nail Designs on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed to both of our channels. In the comment down below, give me your Instagram name and write enter me in the comments down below. So the collection that I'm giving away is her entire Holo collection. I'm going to link the video where you can see her swatch the entire collection. I don't have the whole collection. I only have 4. And the ones that I'm giving away, I did not open them to swatch them. I'm just going to show them on screen. So out of the Holo collection, that first one that I swatched was the Holo Teal. The second one is the Holo Pink. And then the last one was Holo Black, and this is the Rose Gold. So the collection has more colors than this, which I'm going to show you shortly. And again, I'm going to link her video so you can see the entire collection swatch. I don't have the entire collection myself, but you guys will win those in a giveaway. Should I say the rules again? Let me say the rules again. Follow me and MVP Nail Designs on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to her channel. And in the comments down below, give me your Instagram name and write enter me in the comments. And I'm going to pick a winner March 17th. I think that's what I said. Let me check my calendar again. Yes, March 18th. I'm going to pick a winner March 18th. And I'll probably let you know. I'll probably DM you on Instagram. And I'll probably ask for the screenshots that you're subscribed to both of our channels. So here I'm just going through the colors that are included in the giveaway. This one I did not swatch. It's a Holo Blue. There's also a gold I did not swatch. And I'm going to link the video where you can see her swatch the entire collection. And there is also a silver. So the entire collection is really, really pretty. I just, oh, and there's a royal blue as well. So I just pick the colors that I know that I would use the most. But I am giving away the entire collection. So again, watch her video for swatches. Anyways, guys, I do appreciate you watching. Again, if anyone knows why I have stupid bubbles in my clear acrylic, I would love it if you would let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I thought I was working too dry, which probably isn't the case. I don't know. Just let me know in the comments down below. Please check out Nails by Reese's video on the air purifier. She goes into a lot of details on the purifier. And here is just me showing how clear the two clear acrylics were after I top coated them, which weren't very clear. I don't know. Leave me some clear acrylic tips down below, or some brands that you guys use down below. Sorry, now I'm top coating, so I'll show you in a second how clear those came out. And that was Tones Glass, and then Young Nails, I think it was their Core Clear. So I'm gonna top coat those and cure those, and that's how clear they look. You can see my stupid bubbles. And then, so that's how clear the Tones is. Oh, that's how clear the Young Nails is. You can still see through it. And then that's how clear the Tones is. I think the Young Nails was a little bit clearer. But anyways, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Please make sure that you are subscribed. Please like this video. Please comment. And if you're going to enter the giveaway, please follow me and MVP on Instagram. Please subscribe to our channels, and also leave your Instagram name below, and enter me in the comments down below. Thank you guys again. I'll see you soon.